Welcome everyone, this is James from the Passive Income YouTube channel community. Today I would like to share with you another review and journey experience with a company I have invested last year. It's been going very good. It's called COMEX Trades. You might be able to heard about these guys down the way, and they have been doing an amazing job so far. So we're going to take a look into the numbers and share with you all the details that I know about. In the meantime, for those of you looking to get access, make sure to click the link down below in the description area or comments here of this video. Thank you. As well as make sure you check out my Telegram channel that I just created with Passive Income, where we talk about my journey, programs, and everything that is related. Just like my YouTube channel, where you can find out more, including scams which are stopped paying. So it's good to keep yourself updated with that. Getting back to COMEX Trades. It's been running since 2019, April 22nd, guys. And that's true. So it has 344 days. With total clients that have reached above 50,000 people. It's 51,618. Huge amount of money deposited. Huge amount of money cashed out. Less deposits, less withdrawals, insane amounts of money that are being handled in the COMEX Trades platform. There's a lot of the ways you can earn from this representation of COMEX Trades. Payments such as 1.5% daily for 20 days with principal return, 2% daily for 35 days, 2.5% daily for 55 days, 650% after 35 days, and keep going like that, guys. For those who are looking to find out more details, just join my team, ask me questions in Telegram and anywhere, and we're going to talk about it. They have live support always, extensive trading experience, reliable investment plans, fast withdrawals, strong GDS protection. Team is acting professional. There is existing support going on, so they're real. Now, as per my account, here are the details that I wanted to talk about. This is my current situation, guys. So take a look at that. We've got an account balance that is $1,408, which is building constantly. Building and building and building constantly. Very nicely so far. Some of the details related to my account is the registration date back then in December 17, 2019 when I started with this program. So today is 31st of March. We have January, February, March, 3 months and 2 weeks since I've joined the program, and I've built up an insane account. Right now, this is my main account with the highest amounts. Active deposits 33,753. Earnings, we have made $47,508. And the withdrawals which have been completed, it's $39,368. So it's hard to talk about this thing right here because this is huge for the past, and it has been making a lot. I was not expecting to earn that much with this program. We've generated huge amounts of profits down the road, and it's been a great time. And it's secure with all these websites, which are verified constantly, and they're working, they're legit. So it's been a very good time with all the possibilities that you can imagine on investment, cryptocurrencies, payment processor, everything. So for those of you looking to get started, which are not aware about this program, make sure you click the link down below in the description area or comments area, and stick with me on my Telegram YouTube channel for future videos and updates and everything that is related to this passive income business. As well as in the next minutes, I'm going to share with you my history and past related to my investment journeys, because I do investments since November 2018. And I've tracked down everything so you can find out more about it. And I'm just gonna talk about it from now. Journey, which is also the reason I opened this YouTube channel, considering I have been starting investing into programs back in 2018 November, just like you can see my earnings history right here. That was the time I started investing into a variety of programs due to the fact that I live in the United States of America and mostly in New York City. So here, if you want to make good money, you need to work a lot. And a working day is usually 10 hours. So if you need to work 10 hours a day, that kind of squeezes you up out of energy. It's difficult. And it's not really the lifestyle. I was searching for freedom. If you search for freedom, you can't work like this. And I'm one of the guys looking to make money by investing the money I have and letting the money work for me. Which means that I had some savings back then. And I said, I'm going to create a business plan, do research, and invest into passive income programs. Which is fine. Because we have invested into 11 programs in November 2018. Just like you can see, these are the number of new investments with it every single month. Here's the amount we have invested, the earnings as well, and the total profit between the investment and earnings. So the first month was pretty good, but not the best. Because in New York City, you cannot live with $3,750 at all. That's, not possible. Rents are close to $3,000, $3,500. This is pretty difficult. So I was compounding. I was reinvesting, not cashing out anything, and slowly build up my total profit earnings because we have a very, very good style of doing this business. I'm going to explain you right here because there's two ways you can join, and everything has started on my own, then also sharing with my close friends that I had at my job. Hey guys, this is what I've been discovering and this is what I've been doing for the last months. You guys want to participate as well. This is what I've earned. I show them their representation with the earnings history. They pretty much took their savings and invested as well. And recently they told me, why don't you create a YouTube channel and upload everything and share with people your experience. So I was like, okay, let's do this. Let's try to do this and see how it goes out. So there's two ways you can join my community and my services. Number one, get access to my weekly updated investment list, which means you will receive the programs we're investing to make profits. You will receive all the programs I invest to make profits. This is like a security, which gives you a very good direction for your money. Number two, service, which is pretty much the most popular and the most used, is to join my investment fund where I share between 80% up to 120% per month. So this means that I manage your funds by entering and exiting at the right time in the investment programs I participate with my own and group funds. The way I usually go is to have my own funds plus the group funds inside the program, which are separately. Now, what we do is a quick explanation of the second service as well, because we have been living and generating a full-time income since November 2018. By investing smartly in the right programs, so far we have participated in 267 programs, and the experience and knowledge gain is what makes a difference between losers and winners. Our business has a powerful structure which has 4 major points done correctly: programs joined, management, entry time, exit time. So this is all about, guys. What kind of programs are you joining? You need to do an extensive research process. What kind of plans are they having? Are those plans profitable enough for the type of product you need? Because you want to invest, but you need to know in which plans do you want to invest. So you need to do some mathematical calculations in order to determine, by using a formula, on what kind of investment plans are you looking for in order to have possibilities to end in a profit with that. And this is coming after an extensive experience service we had with all these investment programs. Of course, at the beginnings, we had some losses. We should have been doing better, but it's not possible without losses, guys. Any business has losses at some point. The only thing here is to find the balance between the possibilities and the non-possibilities. So what you need to do is, sometimes there are possibilities of profit which you take advantage, and you want to eliminate the non-possibilities, which are the bad investments, into programs which are not guaranteeing, we are not sharing any probabilities attention. You don't have probabilities to win with that, and people still invest because they don't know how to look at them. It's very important how you read between the lines, and you need a very good strategy to do this. So the management as well, which is the second major point on how we handle the group funds and everything. You want to know if $500 investment is powerful enough for that specific plan, for that specific program. Is that reliable into a great investment which has a very high probability of profit, or no? Usually our investments have a probability of 80% to succeed. Only 20% is against us, which means that on the long run we're winning. Little by little, but we're winning, guys. Take a look at that. I started this business with 7,600, which of course for majority of people is not possible. But that is not the case. That does not matter at all. You need to be very, very strong and enthusiastic that even with $500, with $300, with $1,000, with $2,000, you can start this business and scale it up. Now, the investment fund, just like I said, is between 80 up to 120%. But it's not a problem if in 1 month we have only 50%. It's not a problem at all. Sometimes we can jump up to 180, 170%. These are averages, what I'm talking, between 80 up to 120% per month. So that's what it is, guys. Now, as well, the entry time. When do you join a program? Because it might be very good. It might have great plans, stability, but you might be late. You might be late because you're investing an amount of money for which you don't have time to recover. So you might be late. That's not good. It happened a lot of the time with people. They entered too late. So you need to know and understand that. And then the exit time. When do you exit? Let's say that we have compounded our account, we have double, and we have 100% profit. What are we going to do? Are we still going to be greedy or exit, take everything out, closing on 150% profit and get out? Or are we trying to build the account to make $10,000? No, that's not how we do it, because that way is not possible. And that way everyone is trying it, guys. So what you need to do here is to join the programs in a large scale, which means you join many programs you're investing in. And then afterwards, you take little profits out of each and then get out. Small profits out of each, getting out, securing your budget, going towards to the next one. And by the way, out of 100 programs, 80 of them are being refused, which means that there is a 80% refusal rate. We don't join them. We don't join them. It's not possible to join them. It's not possible because they do not meet the minimum criteria for acceptance. We don't accept, we cannot join. They are not profitable. They're not set up great for us. So the probabilities are decreasing. We don't join those. We're joining only 20% of the programs we're finding online. So that's all about this presentation, guys. That's how we handle and manage this. And this is my journey on my passive income business model, where I'm just investing and handling it correctly. With a very, very good structure and business principle, you can definitely do it as well. For those who are looking to find out more and join me, feel free to use the contact, write me a message, and we can keep a conversation. You see, this is not presented on a website. This is, not shared for the masses. This is something else, something separately, more on private, more directly one-on-one with the people, having a personal experience, rather than just having a website and hiding behind the website. No, it's not like that. This thing is a little different, guys. This thing is serious. So that's pretty much all about this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I see you on the email if you have questions, and so we can get started. Thank you. We'll talk to you soon.